Nurses, burnout isn't just a buzzword, it's a silent epidemic. I've watched it steal health, joy, and even entire careers. And here's the shocker. If you don't take charge of your energy will take charge of you. It will drain you until you have nothing left. But there is another way. When you learn to master your inner energy, your breath, your focus, your state of mind, you flip the script. Nursing becomes lighter. Life becomes lighter. You rediscover joy in your work and in yourself. I know because I've been there. I've worked through exhausting shifts, charting until my eyes blurred, racing from room to room on fumes. I thought that was just the cost of being a nurse. But then I discovered something that changed everything. Therapeutic, medical, yogic techniques for energy management, not fancy poses or long classes, just simple practices that could fit into my scrubs, my schedule, my reality. I've now shared them with thousands of nurses across the globe, and the results are real. Here are 3 energy secrets every nurse needs. Secret 1, your breath is your switch. 1 slow breath in through your nose, a pause. Then a longer exhale through your mouth. Do it now. Deep inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for a second, then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Extending the exhale is key. That single cycle lowers your stress hormones and tells your nervous system, I'm safe, I can handle this. Secret 2, micro movements, macro impact, shoulder rolls at the computer. Standing tall for 1 minute in mountain pose. These tiny shifts free your spine, improve circulation, and recharge your mind. Secret 3, rest is medicine. Even 2 minutes with eyes closed, hands relaxed, attention turned inward can restore more clarity than another cup of coffee. What I call sacred rest is not weakness. It is wisdom. When you weave these into your day, a breath before walking into a patient's room, shoulder rolls while documenting, a moment of rest during your break, your inner life begins to transform. Stress stops owning you. Energy rises. Patients notice. Families notice. Even your co-workers notice. You begin to realize you're not just surviving nursing, you're leading a new model of care, one that heals you while you heal others. So here's my advice. From one nurse to another, don't wait for your hospital or your schedule to change. That may never happen, but you can change your energy, starting right now. Take a breath, move your body, claim a moment of rest. These techniques saved my life and my career. They can save yours. Your inner life creates your outer life. Transform your energy, and you transform everything. Nursing doesn't have to break you. With the right tools, it can build you up. Take that breath now. You've got this.